Yeah, so definitely this was very detailed process to understand whatever processes happen in L&D, because I so far I was always the other side of L&D. Now I'm getting into the another side of L&D, where yes, definitely I will have to follow various processes, and for following, obviously understanding is required. So thank you so much for giving this input, and definitely exercise based training is more beneficial. So PPT, I never missed PPT in these two sessions. So yes, thank you so much.